Okay, so before starting off the video right here, it all started to look pretty good for Bitcoin right here. But just right now, well, we are dumping like crazy right now towards the downside. And even it looks to be like we are right now falling down below this support level. So if we are going to be confirming a break below this support, well, I do think we are going to be seeing lower targets getting reached. Okay, we also do have this horizontal daily support also right here on the daily candles. And yeah, if we are going to be falling below right there, well, the 25k target is next. And guys, keep in mind, the rest of the video I have already recorded. So yeah, it is a little bit behind in data right here. But all in all, it comes around the same conclusion. It all started to look pretty good right here. But right now, we want to be getting careful, all right? We are breaking down and head and shoulders towards the downside, and more very interesting data that you want to be watching right here, because right now it all starts to flip. So we want to be getting very careful. And guys, without further ado, let's start the rest of the video. Okay, so today we had our CPI data coming out. And to be honest, it was kind of good, but it was not very bullish, right? We had our core inflation just a little bit lower than expected, but also our CPI data came in as expected. So that was not very good, but at least we are getting some kind of a bounce, of course, like we did indeed expect coming out from of the CPI data. Of course, if it was going to be getting good, well, we were expecting this break towards the upside. And yes, indeed, we are starting to bounce. And as you can be seeing for the previous times, well, for example, right here, we also did not start this huge rally towards the upside during the CPI data, but we just started it right after. And I think some kind of a similar move will be happening right there. I think, yeah, we will be reaching once again this resistance, and then we are going to be breaking above. Because of our CME gap, we still do have above us right here. And because we are going to be getting this breakout, I think we are going to be pumping even further towards the upside. And that is what I've been saying for quite a few days already. And I still think it's going to be playing out unless we are going to be breaking below this support right there. Whenever we will be breaking below the support, well, of course, you can also be seeing we are creating some kind of a head and shoulders pattern. And in that case, yeah, we do have a lot lower targets of about 25k. But I do not think there is a very big chance. All right. And we are doing very good right now. Now, on the RSI, we cannot really see anything all that clearly, except on the 2-day time frame. Yeah, we can be seeing a very small bullish divergence right here being created. And yes, indeed, this is pretty bullish, but typically you want these bullish divergences to be seen on the 4-hourly time frame, on the daily time frame, or on the 1-hourly time frame. Other than that, I'm not really trading it. Okay, so overall, it is starting to look bullish, but we still need to overcome some resistances, guys. We still have to overcome this 4-hourly resistance right here, which is going to be one of the most important levels to have a look in towards. Also, because it will be, of course, confluencing with this resistance level right here. And yeah, definitely keep this in mind. But other than that, well, it is starting to look pretty bullish right here. I'm still having my eyes out on this trend line right here, which is going to be my target in the end of the day to get reached once again, this resistance level. Now, it is getting a bit high right now, but yeah, we will have a look in towards exactly where our targets will be whenever we will actually be getting our breakout, and we will be adjusting our targets on the way up. Okay, now keep in mind on the weekly time frame as well, we are still fighting this weekly resistance, guys, and I've been warning you guys about this weekly resistance for so long already. And of course, yeah, on the weekly time frame as well, we are seeing currently the EMA ribbons are starting to flip still, and every single time in the past, well, this has indicated the bear market bottom, and we have never really seen these prices this low getting reached, except from here from of this crash right here. This is one exception because of the pandemic, of course. But other than that, well, it's all starting to look pretty good, and I still expect the weekly ribbons to flip right there and way higher targets still getting reached. This has been my thesis for a very long time, and the only thing that can pretty much invalidate this and my thesis right here is if we are going to be falling below this support level. Well, then I readjust my targets towards the 25k level. So guys, pretty interesting still. And guys, if you do want to be staying up to date, well, be sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.